Hi guys, not knowing for sure if this is going to work, but this is a long sequence dress that I've had for a long time and I no longer want it as a dress. So if you guys see right here where I have it cut kind of like a V, so I'm going to try to turn it into something like the sequence dress that I'm wearing, but in fact it's actually going to be shorts. So that's why it's cut like the shape of panties. So I'm hoping I got enough of the stretch width, and it's a one sleeve. So guys, I'm going to cut that out and sew it together, and we're going to see if it works. So stay tuned. Bye. Guys, it's your girl, A. Marie from A. Marie Lace Wigs. Now, this was that ballroom dress, guys, that used to go all the way down to the floor. It kind of was like this. So what I did was, I was like, I don't wear it anymore, you know, so I was trying to turn it into something more modern, updated. So it used to be, this the bottom piece. This used to be, just imagine, a ballroom dress that go all the way down to the floor. That's how it used to be. So I was like, okay, it's kind of outdated. Don't wear it anymore. So what I did, I cut it and made it into some shorts. So still some couple things I got to do because this side feel much tighter than the other side. I got to finish cutting out the rest of the elastic and maybe take some fringe and take it around because I don't like for the bottom part, the black part of my buttocks to show. But, you know, with some tweaking, I think it could be a decent makeover. And then I got to finish cutting the rest of the elastic out that's in here because it seems super tight. But what it is that I've gained weight and my boobs is bigger from, you know, the last time that I had this on. So I got to do a couple minor adjustments, but this was a long sequence, flexible. So the reason why I was able to turn it into shorts, I don't know if you guys can see, is real flexible. So if you guys got these old outdated maxi dresses that is well, you know, ballroom dresses, but you see the elastic, so then you could take it and cut it into a pair of shorts, or you can either cut it into, like, if you don't want to do the shorts, the mini dress. But it's a couple things that I need to do to it to make it more up to my speed. So this is what it looks like, guys. So thank you guys for watching. As always, God bless. Bye bye.